All right, good afternoon. It's Thursday, and this is the end of the day for E-mini trading, S&P 500 E-mini trading, Thursday, the 21st of August. So, once again, we went up and we made a new high of 1982. We talked about our projected highs between 1981 and 1983, and again, we settled right in the middle of 1982. The market basically today opened up our pivots, as you can see here, were short. We went up and tested them, went down to the top of value at 1983.75. They rallied, took the pivots out, and then spent the rest of the day. And this pivot became bullish at 1989, and then went from 1989 up to 1992. On the close, we had a sell off, and the sell off, as you can see, went down, and our pivots move up throughout the day based on an algorithm that's been written to follow support. So they came up, and then at the end of the day, they've gone out and they've gone short again. I don't put a lot of credence into the pivots at the end of the day because there's a lot of closing out of positions and the volume is skewed. But an ironic thing today is that I was looking for today, for all day, we were looking for the NASDAQ. So the leader all day was the Dow. And the Dow was up all day, and it was up about 85 to 90, I think. And then when it took its pivot out and it made a sell off at the end of the day, and it's up 70. So they had a big sell off at the end of the day where the NASDAQ came up and ended up taking their pivot out. They didn't take it out, and that's when we went and made our highs at 92. And then it had a little bit of sell off and it rallied. And as you can see, the Russell also had a sell off at the end of the day, and it's closing at the low of its where the pivot was 1157. So I don't know if this is a sector rotation. We're selling NASDAQ, or I'm sorry, selling Dow, Russell, and people are starting to buy the NASDAQ. But at the end of the day, all these indexes made a move that was sort of counter where they were all day. So tomorrow and overnight, we'll be looking at the overnight action. Again, value will be moving up. I don't know where the top of this is. People are calling for 2000 for sure. I don't know. I'm just going to let the market movement and all the things that go on throughout the day determine where we're at. We'll see what happens overnight, and also you can see this is the indicator that we talk about. This is the volume indicator out of the NYSE, and it basically was at 60% of the volume was done on the buy side today. This 200-point break that we got and took out the pivot, I'm not putting any credence into that. We'll see what the overnight markets bring us. Remember, this is Louis Borsellino, manovermarket.com. Our service is free. You can get our alerts throughout the day. And have a good night and happy trading. See you tomorrow. Bye.